This is part 2, going over chapter 8 test, part 2. Let's look at problem 8 here. It says find the distance AC. Well, first of all, what do we got? We got a rhombus. What do we know about the diagonals of a rhombus? Yeah, one of the thing is they're perpendicular, so we've got 4 right angles. Also, the diagonals bisect each other, so 18 here, 18 here. Okay, now, here's what I want to find. I want to find this little bit right here. Okay, that yellow part right there. I'm looking at this triangle right now. Okay, there it is. That's the triangle that I'm looking at. Okay, I'm going to put my eye right here. Okay, let's see what I got. I got the opposite 18. I want the adjacent EC right here. So opposite and adjacent, that's tangent. Let's do it up here. Hey, tangent of 65 equals opposite 18 over adjacent, I'm going to call it EC. Let's go calculator. First of all, check our calculator. We need to be in degrees. Let's put it in degrees. It's in degrees. Now, tangent of 65, tangent of 65, there it is, 2.1445. Okay, 2.1445 equals 18 over EC. Unknown on the bottom. What do? We do the Toby switch. Unknown on the bottom. Here it is. EC equals 18 over 2.1445. Let's see what EC is. Here it is. 18 divided by that number. 18 divided by 2.1445. Nice. There it is. 839 is EC. 839. That's right here. 839. Well, look. Those are the same because the diagonals get bisected in a parallelogram. There it is. 839. We want the total distance. Okay, right here. The total distance. 839, 839. Let's see what we got. 839 times 2. Let's go 1678. Okay. Nice. Okay, so 1678. Now, the perimeter. Let's find a side right here. I'm going to call this C. Let's do Pythagorean theorem. Okay, 18 squared plus 839 squared equals C squared. 18 and 839. Let's do it. 18 squared plus 839 squared. Total 394. Okay, 394.39 equals C squared. We root it. Here's the side length. Okay, take the square root of that number right there, 394.39. Good, there's the side length, 1986. Okay, 1986. Great, 1986. That's the side length right there. Now, what do you know? It's a rhombus. All the sides are the same. They're all the same. So the perimeter, that's what we want. 4 times 1986. Let's get it. Okay, there it is. Take that number, multiply by 4. Nice, 7944. Okay, 7944. That's our perimeter. 7944. Okay, great. Let's go to 9. It says RS is 30. I got that. RTS is 28. I see that. I want the diagonal. Well, they want this diagonal. Well, what do you know about the diagonals in a rectangle? They're both exactly the same. They're both the same. So here it is. That's the one I want. I just want that length. Okay, here it is. I'm going to do this. I'm looking at this triangle right now. Okay, let's go right here. I'm looking, let's go red, yeah. Okay, I'm looking at that triangle right there. I want the hypotenuse. My eye is going to be on the 28. Okay, I have opposite. I want the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, that's sine. Sine of 28 degrees equals opposite is 30 over TR. There it is. Sine of 28. Let's do that. We already checked our calculator. It is in degrees. Sine of 28, 0.4694. okay? 0.4694 equals 30 over TR, unknown on the bottom. Do the Toby switch. There it is, equals 30 over 0.4694. Let's do that. 30 divided by that number. 30 divided by 0.4694. Okay, great. 6391. 6391. That's how long the diagonal is. And that's what we want because the two diagonals are the same. So here it is, 6391. Okay, great. What about 10? Okay, it's a square. LK is 20. Well, look, on a square, you know, first of all, the diagonals are perpendicular. The diagonals bisect each other, and the diagonals are the same length. So 20, 20, 20. Okay, so the diagonal's going to be, the whole diagonal's going to be 40. What about the side length? Do this one if you want. There we go. Look at that triangle right there. If you want to, do Pythagorean theorem. That's all they want. They want the side length. Remember, all the sides are the same. Okay, I'm going to do the one on the left, okay? Here we go. Hey, 20 squared plus 20 squared equals c squared. That's 400. That's another 400 equals c squared. That's 800 equals c squared. Let's root it. Let's root it. Okay, here it is. Square root of 800. Okay, square root of 800. There it is, 28, 28. Okay, 28, 28. Every side length on this one is 28, 28. Okay, there it is. Every side is the same on the square. Okay, what do we got on 11? Okay, we got a trapezoid, and they just want the angles. Well, what do you know about a trapezoid? Well, here, the lines are parallel. These two, they got to add up to 180. They got to be supplementary. Those two got to be supplementary. So here it is, 180 minus 110, 70 degrees right here. Same over on this side, 180 minus 22, 158. Yep, there we go. Got to be 158. Okay, angle G, that was the 70. Angle E, that's the 158. Good, done with that one. Okay, how about the next one? Let's see what else we got here. 48. Okay, 48. We want the mid-segment. Remember, the mid-segment here, it's the average of the two bases. So here we go. MN. How do we get the average of two numbers? We add them up and divide by 2. 66 plus 30 divided by 2. MN equals, what's that, 96 over 2. 48. Yep, there we go. 48. That's the average of the two bases. Okay, what about this one? We got a kite now. Okay, now look at the angles. 38 and 106. What do we know about the other two angles? Yeah, in a kite, one pair of opposite angles are congruent. It's not the 38 and the 106. It's these here. One pair of opposite angles are the same. Right here, those two are the same. Well, what do you know? It's a quadrilateral. All kites are quadrilaterals, 4 sides. Oh, yeah, a quadrilateral. All the angles got to add up to 360. Let's see how much we already used. 106 and 38. Okay, we got 14, carry the 1. We got, there it is, 144. Okay, now 360 minus 144. We got 216 left. 216 degrees left. And we got to split it in half because angle H and angle F are the same. Divided in 2, there it is, 108. Yeah, that's it. 108 here, 108 here. Okay, let's see our last problem here. Yeah, last problem coming up. Let's wrap it up. Okay, look at the sides. We know on a kite that they have 2 pairs of congruent sides. These two are the same. These two are the same. What else do we know about a kite and the diagonals? The diagonals are perpendicular. I've got Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to do it twice. First of all, let's do this one right here. There it is. Okay. Here it is. Let's go 5 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. We got 25, we got 9, we got 30, sorry, there we go, 34. 34 equals c squared. Let's root it. Let's root it. Okay, here we go. The square root of 34. Square root of 34. Nice. 583. Okay, 583. There it is. 583. That's one of our missing sides. Okay, let's go the other one blue. Let's do this one down here. There it is. Do the green triangle. Okay, here it is. 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. 25. We got 144 equals c squared. We got 169 equals c squared. Square root. Oh, nice. Square root of 169 is 13. That's 13 long. Of course, this one is 13 long. That's our missing side. And that's going over the Chapter 8 geometry test.